Okay, and here is the after on that dent. We'll go through that back. There's a slight wave to it if you look at it real close, but it was a large dent. And this is a wholesale job. Came out looking real good for the hour and a half we spent on it. Got that one out dialed in. Can't see anything on that one. And then there was that little one underneath. It came out just fine. Little one under the handle is still there. I gotta do that one still. Maybe I'll have to do that one on camera. And then this one had two little dents right around this area. But I worked out, let's run that line through it. I worked out real nice. Has a little scuff to it still. I'm just gonna kind of call it 90%. Hold this for me. I'm gonna do this dent real quick.
Gotcha.
Go get a visual on that dent that's underneath the driver's handle into the board. Okay. Wedge and guard though.
It's a little hard to do with your phone.
Where's my wedge guard? Oh, right here. Okay. So we're looking at this one right here.
Because your camera's so far away from the edge of the...
Well, do I need to move the board?
Maybe. Well, I mean, the main problem is that the camera's not on the bottom side of the phone.
Okay. Well, you can see it, right?
Kinda. Yeah.
Rainy day at repair. Okay. I did make a push on it. I just didn't get all the way to it. And now I'm going to bring the tool up and get right to the center of that little pocket. One more little nice push. And that's pretty much dialed in for a little tiny dent that it is. It's got one little high spot that I'm gonna tap down. But now we go through it. Looks great. This car ended up looking real nice. It's about an hour and a half.